Hey you guys, welcome and welcome back. I am African Radiance if you are new here, but you can call me Jazz. So today I am in desperate need of a reset, okay? The house is a mess. It's been a mess for quite some time now. For those who don't know, I am a first-time mom. That is my excuse. That is my excuse and it always will be. Majority of this video is just gonna be a lot of deep cleaning. I have to clean our room. It's not that messy, but it still needs to be clean. I'm gonna clean my baby's room, AKA the guest room as well. The kitchen, both bathrooms. I'm just cleaning. I know I'm gonna have to take breaks, intermissions, because I do have a baby who be needing me. So, it's not that much to talk about. I just want to go ahead and get into it. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Get your girl to 600 subscribers. 600 subscribers. I'm halfway there. Okay, mommy, I'm coming. And before you guys say anything about this sponge that I use for the sink and now the toilet, it is a sponge that I planned on getting rid of anyways. Okay, so yeah, I used it on the sink first, then I used it on the toilet, and then I disposed of it. Thank you. Okay, hi guys. It is the next day. I could not finish, but you know, that's kind of how these things go. You know, it's okay if you don't get it done in one day, you know, especially if you're a mom. I'm gonna say that all the time. I'm gonna say it all the time. But today is a new day. I wanted to go to the gym, but my house has just been so dirty and dusty, and I'm like, yeah, it's time to get to it. So that's what I'm gonna do. I hope y'all don't hear that music. But even though I didn't get to go to the gym, I do have on like a little cute little gym fit. I'm gonna put on my waist trainer. So I am gonna put on my little waist trainer because I know I am going to work up a little sweat. And also, I was thinking, after I tackle the kitchen, because the kitchen, it is in desperate need. It's in desperate need. I can't wait to show y'all. But once I do the kitchen, I think I'm gonna take Azara out for a walk. She needs some fresh air. I need some fresh air because I haven't been to the gym in about 2 days. You know, I went to the gym, had a little rest moment. Then yesterday I decided I was gonna clean. So actually, yeah. And yesterday I decided I was gonna clean. So, and today I'm like, not gonna go. So that's kind of how that's going. So we're gonna go tackle this kitchen. You guys, you're gonna see the damage. You're gonna see it, trust me. no, this is not the same rag that I use for the bathroom. This is not the same scrubber. I promise you.
Back was already cooked.
I know this is crazy because my other Sunday reset, I made shrimp Alfredo, but I'm gonna do it again, and I'm gonna, saute the shrimp this time because last time I didn't really like it. We haven't had shrimp Alfredo in a while, so just in case you pick that up,